I have a newfound respect for Milton. That guy is not swayed by any situation or anybody. He cannot be influenced, okay? Uche tried it. He wasn't moved. He couldn't care less. He knows his mind. He's a man that knows his own mind. He may be a young 24-year-old, but he knows his own mind. And then Lydia tried it. Again, he was not swayed by that. He knows his own mind. And at the end of it, I saw that they're not meshing with Lydia. And at the restaurant, when they were having a meal and they had that weird argument where it feels a bit like Lydia wants to mother Milton. Oh, you don't do this, you don't clean up, you don't pick up this, you don't pick up, you need to do that. It's almost like he wants to mother him. So that's a big disconnect, because I do think Milton's a bit mature for his age and he does not like that at all. And it seems Lydia doesn't like anybody telling her what they don't like, but she's okay telling people, I don't like this, I don't want that. So that's going to be a hard one. And then I noticed how when Lydia said, oh, it's because Uche is like whatever horrible, calling him names, Milton actually says, oh yes, thank you for telling me for the millionth time. Kind of gives me the impression she talks about Uche too much. If you talk about the ex, that's a red flag. That's a red flag. So I like Milton for not being swayed by other people's opinions. He knows his own mind and he knows what he's doing. And I am not sure now. I thought he was actually going to marry her at some point, but now I think he picks up on a lot of the yes, and he's picked up on it. So let's see how this goes.